Travis Dempsey, I'm the superintendent of Gadsden ISD. For superintendents looking at this, here's what I would say. I would challenge you to find another mechanism to deliver this many labs or experiments for the dollars you're going to spend. In fact, I'm going to say it doesn't exist. And being a former math teacher, I've searched for it. This to me is the best, and it's very durable. I mean, these are well-built kits that are not, they're not plastic, they're not going to break on you. And the minute I saw it though, I saw the way to apply it. In seconds while he's talking to you, he's got an experiment going on. And then you watch that happen, you go, that was easy. And that's what those teachers need to feel comfortable in that environment. Once you get them a little bit comfortable, there's a little bit of magic that happens. And I think it just gives our kids an opportunity to see some things that they may not ever get to see normally. And then it hooks them. That's why we really wanted to roll it out in elementaries, because we want to get them hooked early. We want them starting to think about those engineering type ideas, science, mathematics. How do you apply those things? We want to get them hooked as early as we possibly can, so that that should set them on a path to take those advanced level courses all the way through their secondary. So when they leave us, they're truly ready to go to higher ed and jump into those high level courses, and hopefully be the next engineer that's running spaceport for us or something of that nature, right? It's the stakeholders, any stakeholder. You gotta find items that are gonna excite kids and build that engagement. And a book's not gonna do it anymore. It's not. This has got technology tied to it. It's got the mathematics standards. Getting kids excited about physics and how to use that, I think is the way that we're gonna engage kids in our secondary schools. Next Gen science standards did roll out, and we are in Next Gen, and they require labs. They require hands-on activities to experiment and understand those standards. And quite frankly, no other textbook I've ever seen in my career delivers this, right? And that's where these physics kits are just amazing. Where we're trying to focus is upper elementary and middle school. And the reason why we think that's important is very few of our upper elementary teachers have a strong background in STEM related content, right? Science and math. And which is what really intrigued me about our physics in a box, where I can take these items and I can deliver 60 different experiments, if you will, or labs that are really simple to put together. And so it's already prepared for them. To prepare all of that on the side and do those individually, it's a tremendous amount of work, and elementary teachers are not prepared to do that. You give them this kit and then give them a little bit of training, and now they're ready to roll this out. That confidence builds, and they start, teachers engage with them better. They see the interest, right? Teachers are humans just like everybody else. So they see a student excited about something, that excites them more. And this can just make a classroom just change the dynamic, where that engagement's there, kids are excited, staff is excited, parents love hearing about it and seeing it. And once you get all those three things going in the right direction, it's powerful, and it makes a lot of difference for kids.